Good morning, students. You are all welcome to today's class. Hope you slept well. Welcome to today's chemistry class. And today, the topic we shall be discussing is the historical development of the periodic table. Let me put that down. Historical development of the periodic table. And today's objective is going to be three. The first thing is to explain the historical development of the periodic table. The second one is to explain the modern periodic law. And the last one is to explain the arrangement of elements in the periodic table. So I'll put down the objective. So, like I said earlier, the first objective was to explain the historical development of the periodic table. And the second one is to state the modern periodic law. And the last one is to arrange elements in the periodic table. So, let me start with the first objective of today's lesson, which is to explain the historical development of the periodic table. In 1869, Mendeleev, a Russian scientist, was the first person to discover what we know as the periodic table. And here with me, this is a picture of the periodic table. We have the periodic table here, which was first of all discovered by Mendeleev, the Russian scientist. Now, this scientist, he arranged all the elements in order of increasing relative atomic mass. But as time goes on, scientists later discovered that elements are better arranged in order of increasing atomic number and not increasing atomic mass. And this is as a result of the discovery of the electronic structure of the atom. Finally, this is going to lead us to the second objective of today's topic, which is to state the modern periodic law. The modern periodic law states that elements are a function of their atomic number. Every element in the periodic table are a periodic function of their atomic number. Now, let's quickly go to the third objective for today, which is to explain the arrangement of elements in the periodic table. How are the elements, how are they arranged in the periodic table? Let's take a brief look at the periodic table now. So, elements are arranged into two divisions in the periodic table. We have the vertical section, which is known as the group. We have the vertical section, which is known as the group, and we have the horizontal section, which is known as the period. The vertical section, which is known as the group, is numbered from 1 to 7 and O. So this is group 1, this is group 2 elements, these are the group 3 elements, these are group 4 elements, these are group 5 elements, these are group 6 elements, these are group 7 elements, and group O elements. These elements, they are arranged based on their similar properties. And one thing about these elements in the same group is that they have the same number of valence electrons, that is the same number of electrons in their outermost shell. For example, these are group 1 elements, and group 1 elements are otherwise known as alkali metal. The group 2 elements are otherwise known as alkali earth metal. The group 3 elements we have here, the group 4, group 5, 6, and the group 7 elements are otherwise known as halogen. And we have the group O, or the group 8 elements, which are known as the noble gases or the rare gases. In between group 2 and group 3, we have a section, or we we have the column, which we refer to as the transition series. This transition series, they are also known as the transition methods. And we have transition series 1, transition series 2, and transition 3. Alright, now let's quickly explain the period. The period are numbered from 1 to 7, and that is the horizontal section of the periodic table. This is period 1, this is period 2, period 3, period 4, period 5, period 6, and period 7 elements. And elements and the same period, they have what? As you progress forward, their atomic number is decreasing by 1 progressively across the period. In between the period as well, we have 2 series, which are known as the lanthanide series and the actinide series. So this is just a summary of what the periodic table looks like. And one good thing is this: I hope we all learned something today. So I would like to take a brief evaluation. Can someone just give me a brief historical development of the periodic table? Okay, thank you very much. Now, let's state the modern periodic law together. So you repeat after me. The properties of the elements are a periodic function of their atomic number. Repeat after me, students. The properties of the elements are a periodic function of their atomic number. Now, the assignment I'm going to give you, I would like you to get a printout of the periodic table, as that is what we're going to use for our next class. Thank you for attending my class, and do have a blessed day.